Hello and welcome back to British English with me, Ali. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you about the many meanings of throw when paired with different prepositions. Throw can mean many different things, and today I want to share some natural ways to use throw which can make you sound more fluent in your English speaking. Please do give this video a like and hit subscribe to stay up to date with more British English content. So throw in and of itself means to propel something through the air at force. You could use this in terms of throwing a ball. We threw a ball to each other in the park. Whilst the meaning of throw changes depending on which preposition you pair it with, the idea of this fast motion or this looseness of the action to throw something, this nuance does stay with every set phrase. So please do bear that in mind when you're trying to think about which term to use. Throw usually means to throw a ball or to throw something through the air, but it can also mean going into something quickly. So receiving some sudden, unexpected news could throw you into a state of surprise or a state of confusion. This is a useful term to describe when you are suddenly in a different state. So you may have been very calm and life is very quiet, and then the unexpected arrival of a baby into the family could throw you into a busy flurry of preparation for this baby. It's a sudden, unexpected movement and a significant change from situation A to situation B. Throw in. If you throw something in, of course, this could be throwing into water. I threw the fish back into the water. But it can also suggest something was given in very quickly or without too much thought. So if your friend has a bag and you don't, and you have a bottle of water, and you could say, oh, can I throw this into your bag? And they might say, yeah, throw it in. It's not like, may I place it very carefully into the bag? It's a much more loose and casual way. It's not like an official thing that's going to take a long time or cause any difficulty to this person. I'm just gonna throw it in. It's a very casual, loose and friendly way. To throw out. You can throw something out or to throw out. So I threw out the rubbish yesterday. Or this old t-shirt, do you need it? No, let's throw it out. Now throw up. The up, of course, suggests the upward motion of an object. So you could throw something up in the air. In a wedding, typically when the married couple leave the church, the people who are there to celebrate with them will throw confetti up in the air. However, throw up also has a slightly less nice meaning, and it actually means to be sick, so to vomit or to throw up. It is a slightly more casual term. Probably the doctor isn't going to say throw up, but if you're talking to friends and more close acquaintances, then throw up could be a good word, a more casual term for vomit. Throw down. Now again, this goes back to the idea of throwing being a very loose and candid sort of action. And I would say that if you throw something down, it shows that you were maybe a little bit angry or careless. So when she got home from work, she was so tired, she just threw down her coat and fell asleep in the bed. It's a more rough, loose action rather than place or put. Well, I'm going to finish there today. I hope there were some useful phrases in this lesson. Please do comment, and until next time, bye bye.